What is going on YouTube? Bro here back with another video, and today we got the Hellcat outside again. Another POV for you guys, since you guys really liked the last one, so I just decided, you know what, make back to back, make another video today. So today we are going to be driving a little bit. First though, I got to get some gas because I'm actually at 36 miles to empty, so we're gonna have to go get some gas because you know, it's my second home basically. But we're right now just on the way to the gas station. But I appreciate all the support. You know, 13. I'm thinking I'm still at 1,200 subscribers. We're at 1,352, I believe, is where I'm at right now. Like, this is insane, y'all. But appreciate all the support, guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this little video today. But yeah, we're in the Hellcat as usual. Weather's really nice outside today. You know, like 83 degrees, like that's crazy. 83 finally, all this warm weather. It was raining earlier today too, so it's nice to have some weather where I don't have to worry about any rain or wet roads. But we are outside right now. I'm gonna have to go get gas though, so we are just going through these little areas. But hopefully you guys are doing good. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all the content I'm bringing out, because more is on the way every day, as much as I possibly can. Listen to that whine. Yes, sir. Gotta listen to that one time before. Well, we're gonna get to listen to it a lot, but we gotta go get some gas first. Thing loses like so quick. Well, honestly, I haven't filled up for like what, 2 days, I think. But here we are, gas station. Let's go ahead and fill this up with some good old gas. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm gonna catch you guys when we start filling up. So now we're just filling up Hellcat right now. You guys can see fan is on because it's so hot today. It's like 80. So I mean, now the car is just heating up a lot more. But I think I just left it on race cool down mode. I should have turned it off. But anyway, we're just waiting right now. We got about 29. We'll probably get like $50 if I had to guess. We'll see though. I mean, you really never know. But I'm gonna catch you guys when we finish up filling up the car. I just finished getting gas. We're about to get on the highway, but we do have a bunch of traffic right here. Gonna have to figure out where to go. Probably behind the Tesla, most likely. We'll see though. This guy in front, he's not even looking. He's looking down at his phone. But I might have to go the other side. Look how much people are outside today. Not gonna lie, there's a Tesla there, bunch of cars. Look at that van, that thing is ugly. It's hilarious. See if this Tesla will let me in? No, he won't, because Tesla drivers are annoying. Get out of my way with that Tesla. Get behind you and your little Tesla. That Tesla's slow. Yeah, turn right. Are you getting on the highway? You better not. I will ruin your little Tesla. Don't even push it. Don't try it, because that's a dual motor. That thing ain't even a plaid. You are not a plaid. You gotta remember where you are. You know, I haven't seen one single like ever Demon 170 on the road. I wish I could. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know. I don't even know. Like, do they sound different? They say they do because they're E85 tuned, so they have like the different idle, which is nice, but never heard one in person. I just see them in the showroom, and you know, you never can turn them on or anything. They're all like, oh no, we can't turn it on, it's only for show. Okay, buddy. All right. Come on, this light takes so long. We need to go. Come on. Come on, bro. Oh, you're turning right, aren't you? So, can you go out of my way? Please? Please, let's go. Come on. Oh, there's somebody in front of him. Yeah, go. get on the highway now because we got to get in front of all these people. And we know how slow people can be. Especially this guy. Look at this. Is he gonna move or no? Alright, let's get over. Come on, move. Excuse me. But yeah, it's a nice day outside today. I mean, finally, right? We've had all this weather, cold, rain, wet, and then no like cloudy, you know, like whatever weather you can think of. But finally got some sunlight. But the Midwest is very tricky with weather. You know, you never know what you're gonna get. You might get sun in a moment, you might get rain. Like today we literally had rain and look how the weather became. Like we had literally storm rain. Like it was pouring rain in the morning. Crazy. But anyway, I can't really do anything yet. I know you guys want to see something, but I need to wait for a moment because I got to figure everything out. This guy is going this way or what? Yeah, it looks like, oh, just hit that bump. It was like that little bump of broken road there. Keep hitting, I should have moved a little bit. Anyway, it's not a big deal. Not a big deal. We'll be fine. We'll be fine, I think. Also, one more thing is like my front of my bumper. Apparently, the paint is like aftermarket on the bumper. I don't know what is going on with that, but I'll have to see if I take it to a body shop what they see. Is it done by the factory paint, or is it just like somebody else just did it amateurish kind of way? I don't know. We'll have to see. We shall see, won't we? Let's go ahead and get behind this guy. Gonna get off this exit so we can make this a little bit more interesting. Actually, no, we'll just go to the next one. This road is probably gonna be super busy, and I'm kind of on a time crunch, not gonna lie, for whatever my gym workout today. So if these people aren't gonna get off, none of them are getting off. Okay, I'm getting off. I don't want to be with all these slow people. We'll go this way. I thought they were coming this way. Listen to that. Might open the window for y'all too if you want to hear. It's a little windy though today, so I really don't want to open up the window too much because there ain't much to listen to when the wind is like flying at you. Like you cannot hear anything. Open a little bit. There we go. Oh yeah, now you can hear it. So these people aren't gonna move, so I'll go right. Okay, we got a bunch of people on this road. Can't really go anywhere. I got somebody in front. I got a truck on my left. Can't really go anywhere too much, but we'll be fine. We're gonna go right, left. Excuse me. Yeah, we got this. This is our direction now. My direction. Look at all this traffic though. It's busy. Well, it is kind of sold out in this town with like hotels and stuff. So, yeah, I don't. Well, this guy got close. Guy's slow too. Jeez, everybody's slow. I hate this, bro. People need to learn how to drive. They can't even drive. Just like slow down the whole lane, bro. Well, I guess that's why you're in the right lane, but still, like these people got everything, and I got these in front. It's just like I'm cooped up right now. I hate it. Anyway. Whoa, that guy just pulled in front like that? No way. I'm going this way. Thing's sounding crazy good right now. Whine and everything. Big dually truck, big diesel. You see, you hear all that wind though? It's windy today. Like, it doesn't even, like, I don't know if you can hear much right now, but hopefully you can. Otherwise I'll close the windows. Listen to that. I know you guys like to hear that. I know that's what all my viewers like to hear. That right there. All right. Saw a little Camaro going the other way. Okay, nah, close these windows. It's too windy. It's too, oh, everybody's stopping for some reason. What's going on? Oh, somebody's turning left, really? That's what happens when you get like these one-lane roads. You don't know what you're gonna get. And my gas mileage is what right now? 13.8. We'll get that up when we start cruising on highways again. Right now we don't have enough highway to cruise, so we're not gonna worry about that. Nope, we don't. It doesn't matter. Who is, man? Oh, is that a Charger wide body coming behind? I don't know. Oh, he's got, no, he went the other way. He went the other way. I thought he was gonna come this way. I think it was a wide body Charger. Couldn't really tell, but it definitely looked like one. Y'all see that they have Hellcats in Florida that are police? Kind of crazy. Uh-oh, the Beamer came. The Beamer. Little maybe 335i or something. And I'd still beat it. I'll beat any Beamer. Stock though. You cannot have mods on your Beamer. Like literally people are like, oh, with the M3 I can beat you in your Hellcat. No, you can't. Not stock. Only if you're modded. But I don't think I'm gonna race you if you're modded, because I would have to be modded. It's not a fair race. Literally. This person need to go faster. That sound. I love the like sound when you let off the Whine. It just sounds so like majestic. So good. Such a good sound in a car that is so primal as this. But it has the violin down, that's for sure. It has that violin sound. Like that one string I'm just playing this whole time. No, don't. Okay, good. These houses are nice out here. I like them. They're like, I don't know if they're like nice. They're very small, but I like how they look. Very modern type of style. Anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for the little video for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment, all that stuff, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. And I appreciate all the support. And yeah, see you guys next video. Peace.